have a totality view. The problem with most of us is it's just me all the time. And even that me, it's only this moment. What is the totality view? Take a vertical view of your own life. You know, a teenager in school or college has a first time crush on someone, a girl. And then when it doesn't work out, she starts crying as if it's the end of the world. Haven't you seen that? And you've been through it. What are you looking at me like that for? But now when you look at it, you laugh. But at that time, it was like, oh my God, I'm going to die. What is vertical view? You take this view, which you are now able to laugh over it 30 years later, at that time, when it hits you. You understand what I'm saying? So when something hits you, when you feel bad about something, there's a guy the other day in London who told me, business is down. And a few days back someone, rupee is so down, now what's happened? It's bounced back. It has to. How low will it go? It'll come up. So you have to take that vertical view. Whatever happens in life, you complain. I remember the Forex Association of India once invited me to go out to speak at their conference. And I remember distinctly all the agents, the big time agents, complaining to the RBI governor, the rupee is not fluctuating, how can we make money? Now that it's fluctuating, they're complaining that it's fluctuating. So you'll complain about something or the other. Take a vertical view and you'll understand it's just one incident in your whole life. Horizontal view. You are one among 8 billion people in the world. So what big deal are you making about it? I remember when I first took to Vedanta, I had to quit my job. It's a bitter pill to swallow. You're losing your income. Your income goes down by half. I said, what is the worst that will happen? In those days, we were staying in a place where on the opposite side of the road on the pavement, there were people living there. So worst case scenario is I'll move from one end of the road to the other. It's a big deal. We are not saying be indifferent. But when you are unaffected, you are able to think clearly, you are able to take prompt action, and you succeed. As long as you allow it to get to you, you finished. So, horizontal view. Like in any situation. In Shakespeare, Shylock, that great miser who demanded a pound of flesh, and the poor guy was not able to pay him back. The brilliant lawyer, I think her name was Portia, I forget, she comes and says, clear thinker, objective. She came and said, of course, that's the agreement that was signed. By all means, take that pound of flesh, but not an ounce less, not an ounce more. He was finished. He couldn't take his pound of flesh. How was he going to take 1 pound? Exact. So that's what it is.